All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Thursday adverbs. So less, not as many as before, or expected, not as many. We have less time now. There are less people now to talk to. Yeah. I have less food. I have less food now. Yeah. There will be less time unless you manage it well. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Less. Since then, we now have less fun. Yeah. Do you know why they have less fun now? Something changed. Yeah. I only have less sand. Yes. there is less sand now because it is slipping away. Slipping away. Yeah. Less sand. Yeah. How cool is that? So we will have less rice. Yeah. If they take them, then we will have less water. Less water. Uncountable. So we use less with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. So less water, less time, less people, less sand, less oil. We have less oil to work with. There is less sand now. There are less people, fewer people really, but there are less obstacles, fewer obstacles. There is less time because of them. There's less time. Not as much as we wanted or expected, but there's less time. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So less. Now, can you use less in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.